Hello everyone, welcome back to computer class. Today I am going to start new lesson from your textbook. Lesson number 8, that is Internet Online Surfing. Surfing is nothing but searching, okay? Internet Online Surfing. First is content, introduction about online surfing, uses of the internet, commonly used terms in internet. Some commonly used terms are uniform resource locator, protocol, and third one hyperlink, fourth one search engine. First is introduction about the internet. First, internet is nothing but the term internet stands for international network, and internet allows the sharing of large amount of information. If you are having the internet connection means you can get a large amount of information through a online also, and the internet connects millions of computers around the world. Yes, right. So many computers will be connected to our internet. In the world, if we are calculating means it will be million only, right? The internet is a system through which we can communicate with the people or access information from any part of the world. If you are going to communicate with any other person means, if they are far away from you means, if both were having an internet connection means, you can communicate with them. If they are in a far away, also you can communicate with them with the internet, right? And also you can access the information. The information obtained from the internet is called online information. Whatever information you will get through internet, those information are called as a online information. Next is uses of internet. Where and all you will use the internet connection. What is the use of this internet? First one, we can access information about anything on the internet. Okay, that's right. If you are having the web browser, Google Chrome, something means you can search through our internet. If you are having internet connection means you can search whatever information you want, whatever doubts you are having, you can clear that using a internet connection. We can send a message, greeting, etc. through our email, through our WhatsApp, through our Instagram. You can send a message, and also you can share a greeting with each other also. We can watch movies and we can play games. Online games will be there, and also using the internet you can watch movies, and also you can download a movies. We can chat on the internet and we can make a new friend. Yes, right. You can make a new friend using the internet also through a Facebook, Instagram, WeChat and Telegram. You can make a new friends, whatever. You can chat with them also. We can buy things on the internet. We can buy things is nothing but e-shopping. Shopping will be there, right? Example, Amazon, Flipkart. Okay, this and all were based on the internet connections only. Next is about commonly used internet terms. Okay, today I am going to explain 4 commonly used internet terms. In that, first one is uniform resource locator. What is the meaning of this uniform resource locator? Means URL. What is the use of this? What is the meaning of this? See here, every page on the internet has a unique address by which it is identified. Okay, whatever you are going to open, whatever the page you are going to open, every page will be having the unique address. Okay, using that address only we can identify, right? Example, for a textbook means it will be having the different pages, different page number will be there. Using a page number only we can identify, right? So here also every page on the internet has a unique address by which it is identified. That address will be there, right? Unique address will be there, right? That address of a web page is called a URL, uniform resource locator. Some of the examples are http://www.discovery.com. Discovery page you are going to open means the address will be like this. Some extra 2 examples were there. You can see the example. This is the address of every page. This address is known as uniform resource locator. Second internet term is protocol. What is the meaning of this protocol? A set of rules responsible for transferring a hypertext document between two or more computers. Means if you are going to transfer any document from sharing the document from one computer to other computer, means the computer will follow some set of rules, that is known as a protocol. Where the rules will be, the protocol means rules is always embedded with the website, means website address will be there, right? In that website address only protocol is embedded. How it will be there? See here, I will show the one format. This is the format: http://www.yahoo.com. Here HTTP is known as a protocol. Okay, see here, HTTP is a protocol. Next, www, right? What is that? Www is a web page, web, right? World Wide Web, we will call it as for the www, we will call it as World Wide Web. Next is Yahoo. Yahoo is the host. Last one is .com. Com means it is the type. Which type of web page it is? Based on the last .com only, we will identify the type of the web pages. Yeah, next is about host. What is that host? Before going to say that, before if I was explaining about protocol, right? In that protocol you got HTTP means protocol, www means web, right? Third one was, what is that? Yahoo was a host, means name of the website. What is the name of the website? If you are searching in a Yahoo, means the name of the website will be Yahoo. If you are searching in a Google, means the name of the website will be Google, like that. Okay, and the last one is type. This part of the web address tells us about the type of the website, which type of website you are using, or which type of website you are opening. That is about type. So many types you will get. Example, .com, .gov, .org, .edu, .net. Okay, means the address will end with .com, right? Sometime it won't end with .com. .gov will be there, .org will be there. Every type will be having the different meaning. Okay, first one .com. What is this .com? .com means commercial site. .gov means government organization. .org means non-profit organization. Next is .edu means educational websites and about educational institutions. Okay. .net means large network. About the network anything is there, means the address will end with .net only. Next is about hyperlink. What is the meaning of this hyperlink? This is one of the internet term. What is the meaning of this hyperlink? It acts as a link to another web page. Yeah, hyperlink, it acts as a link to another web page. Means using a hyperlink you can go to another web page using a link only. Directly using a link you can go for the another web page. Usually using the hyperlink you can open another web page without typing a new address. Okay, if you want to open a new page, new information you are going to search, whatever, means what you have to do, you have to go for a search box and you have to type whatever you want, you have to type, right? Here hyperlink will act as a link. Instead of typing a new address in a search box, it will take directly to the another web page. Okay, how you can use everything I'll explain. Hyperlink are displayed in the form of underlined text or the button or the image. Okay, if it is hyperlink, you don't think hyperlink will be in the form of text only. Okay, sometime it will be like a button, sometime it will be like an image. Okay, if you click that image, means it will go for the another page. If you click that text, means it will go for the another page. Okay, the text will be underlined. Okay, how we will get to know this is only hyperlink, whatever? Usually it will be in the text, means it will be in the blue color, or else when you take the mouse pointer on the hyperlink, if you want to know how is it hyperlink or not, means take the mouse pointer on the hyperlink. Now the shape of the mouse pointer, usually the shape of the mouse pointer will be arrow mark, right? That arrow mark will take the shape of a hand. Okay, then you will get to know this is only the hyperlink. Next topic is about search engine. Okay, you can see this image, right? This is a search engine, one example of search engine. What is the meaning of search engine? You know that internet contains millions of websites and the number of web pages of information, right? It won't contain only one information or only one web page, right? It will be having number of websites and web pages. Yes, search engine is a tool that searches the internet to find the information on the basis of the keyword provided by the user. Means here you will search so many information. How you will search? You will go for the search box and you will type something, right? If I have typed what is protocol, means what is protocol is there, now that is known as a keyword. Okay, based on what you will type, based on the keyword by the provided by the user, means what you will type, based on that the internet will search, the search engine will search on the internet and it will find the information and it will display for you. Okay, and suppose you want to know about a certain topic on the internet, what you will do? You can open any web browser, example Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, whatever you want you can open, and then you can open a Google. In that you can type. Here Google is one example for search engine. Not only a Google, you can use a Yahoo also, you can use a Bing also, Alta Vista you can use, Lycos you can use. These and all were the search engines. So many search engines, but usually what we will use? If normally we will use Google only, right? But Yahoo, everything over there, you can use those search engines also. And here Google is a search engine. You can type the topic in a search box. It will display a list of relevant information. Based on the topic, relevant information will be displayed on the screen. First what you will do, you will open any Google Chrome or something, any web browsers you will open, and then you can open a Google or else type a Google, or you can type Yahoo also. Then another one extra window will open for that Yahoo or Google, like this window will open, and in the search box you can type whatever you want. That is about search engine. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.